In this short tutorial, I will show you how to save emails to files on an iPhone. Sometimes, you may want to keep important emails for future reference or share them with someone. Saving it as a PDF is a great way to do this. It makes it easy to store and find later in the Files app on your device. To get started, open up the Mail app on your iPhone. Next, scroll through your inbox and select the specific email that you want to save. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Reply button. This will bring up various options related to responding to this email. Scroll down through these options until you see Print. Tap on it. This might seem unusual since we're not printing anything physically. Instead, it's part of how we'll create our PDF. Now you'll see a print preview of your email. Here's where things get interesting. Tap on the Share button, located at the top right corner of this screen. This will bring up several sharing options. Look for Save to Files among these choices. After selecting Save to Files, you'll need to choose where you want to save this document. Once you've found or created your desired location, tap Save. Your specific email is now saved as a PDF file in that location within your Files app. Now that we've saved our email, exit out of the Mail app and open up the Files app. Navigate through your folders until you reach where you just saved that PDF document. Here it is. The exact email has been successfully converted into a PDF format and stored safely in your chosen location. You can now view it anytime without needing internet access. You can keep it as a backup for important correspondence, share it with colleagues or friends via messaging apps or email directly from here, or even print it if necessary. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.